The world has now realized that big economies require dependable and secure access to semiconductors, which are at the heart of the digital economy, as well as national security. Rapidus, a semiconductor manufacturing consortium established in August 2022 by Toyota, Sony, SoftBank, NEC, NTT, Denso, Kioxia, and MUFG Bank, has teamed up with IBM to manufacture semiconductors using IBM's 2nm process from 2025 to 2030. In addition to this investment in Rapidus, the Japanese government has also announced investments in advanced semiconductor manufacturing facilities to be established by Sony and TSMC and in Micron. Aiming to start production in 2024, TSMC plans to provide foundry services on 22nm and 28nm processes, focusing on the production of most consumer electronics, automotive and industrial control chips that the market currently requires. The 2nm technology, co-developed by Rapidus with IBM, is expected to go into production between 2025 and 2030, offering 45% more compute performance and 75% less power consumption than the current standard 7nm technology. The Japanese government and technology businesses recognize the need of ensuring a stable, dependable, homegrown semiconductor supply chain, and they have the patience and funds to do it. While Rapidus has no past expertise mass-producing cutting-edge semiconductors, having IBM on their side will undoubtedly hasten their plans and increase their chances of success.